There are discoveries that challenge our understanding of the universe, and then there are those that shake the very foundation of what we thought was possible. What if I told you that a single leaked image, captured in complete secrecy, could hold evidence of something not just unnatural, but potentially engineered, something that shouldn't exist? The James Webb Space Telescope, known for delivering the clearest cosmic portraits humanity has ever seen, has just leaked an image of an object so mysterious and so unlike anything ever recorded that NASA scientists were reportedly urged to classify it immediately. But that didn't stop the truth from slipping out. This is not science fiction. This is 3I Atlas, a visitor from beyond our solar system doing things no natural object should ever do. And what Webb just saw may confirm our deepest fears. Stay with me, because this cosmic enigma is only beginning to unfold. The image that has set the astronomical community ablaze comes from a high-resolution infrared capture during Webb's observational sweep. What it shows is chilling. 3I Atlas, originally thought to be a comet, is emitting a concentrated beam of light from its sun-facing side, not a diffuse reflection, not solar illumination, a focused projection. The beam cuts through space sharply, unlike the hazy glows we see around cometary bodies. Even more disturbing, the image shows structural symmetry around the core, precise 120 degrees angles, forming a hexagonal geometry. Natural space rocks don't build themselves into shapes like this. Scientists at the European Southern Observatory, speaking off-record, described it as mechanical, artifact, or something far more advanced than any known natural process. Whatever it is, it's behaving in ways that have left top astronomers speechless. A comet's tail should flow away from the sun. That's basic physics. But 3I Atlas defies that law. Its tail flows toward the sun. Early theories suggested extreme dust jets, but simulations disproved that due to the tail's perfect symmetry. Then came Webb's data. The tail emits in pulsed intervals, synchronized with the object's 16-hour rotation cycle. Thermal spikes rise and fall in patterns resembling artificial propulsion, not outgassing. Even stranger, the tail contains reflective particles that mirror solar wavelengths instead of absorbing them. In other words, it's not just reflecting sunlight, it's manipulating it. Solar sail, radiation steering. If so, who built it? There's randomness in the cosmos, but 3I Atlas' path is anything but random. After entering from above the ecliptic plane, it slingshots around Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, nearly identical to trajectories NASA engineers designed for deep space probes. But unlike our spacecraft, this object isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. Its route is mathematically perfect for deploying probes across multiple planets without altering course. The odds of this happening by chance? Less than 1 in a billion, and at its brightest it will slip behind the sun right when Earth-based telescopes cannot see it, almost like it wants to disappear. 3I Atlas is the fastest, largest interstellar object ever detected, yet the U.S. Space Command and global defense agencies remain silent. Leaked reports from AARO, All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, suggest the object is being used in live simulations for planetary threat scenarios. A dry run for something. Some defense analysts believe it may be a reconnaissance probe, and at 130,000 mph, no Earth craft could intercept it. Behind closed doors, meetings aren't about what Atlas is, but about what to do if it sends a signal or worse, changes course. Closer inspection of the leaked image revealed something even stranger, a geometric imprint near the luminous region. Not visible in natural light, but crystal clear in Webb's infrared. A triangular formation with a central void, surrounded by concentric arcs. Its precision ruled out sensor noise. Its rotation matched the object's spin. Its design eerily resembled symbols found in ancient Sumerian and Vedic diagrams, associated with contact lore. Mainstream science dismissed the comparison, but the pattern remains. And its existence suggests one chilling possibility. This object was constructed, and someone left their mark on it. As more observatories tried to collect data, something unprecedented happened. Several received cease and desist notices. Private telescopes suddenly lost connectivity. Space startups had their deep space imaging APIs revoked. Leaked diplomatic cables revealed an emergency UN meeting regarding an unidentified technological object of interstellar origin. The major spacefaring nations agreed to a silence protocol. When global rivals unite in secrecy, something enormous is being hidden. Then came the strangest development yet. Webb's next scheduled attempt to observe 3I Atlas was abruptly aborted. The reason? The telescope's autonomous AI refused to lock focus on the target. A focus lock refusal. Engineers were stunned. Webb had never done this, as if the telescope itself chose not to look. Amateur astronomers reported rhythmic flashes where the object should have been like a camera flash aimed at Earth. Is 3I Atlas aware it's being watched? Is it sending optical countersignals, or observing the observers? The leaked image that started everything wasn't scheduled or cleared. Metadata shows it came from a remote diagnostic session, an automated calibration snapshot, which raises two enormous questions. How did it get leaked, and how many more images exist that we'll never see? Some believe a whistleblower risked everything. Others think it was a foreign cyber breach. But the most unsettling theory: the leak was intentional from the object itself. A message, an invitation. After the image went viral, deep space stations reported instrument calibration failures, gyroscopes drifting, radio waves bouncing unpredictably, and satellites going dark along its projected path. Something near 3I Atlas wasn't emitting energy, it was absorbing it, feeding. A deliberate rhythm connecting a chain of interstellar visitors. Oumuamua, Borisov, Atlas, and now Icon. Not invasion, not communication. Something worse, a presence so advanced it doesn't need to speak, because its very existence is the message. James Webb may have pierced a cosmic veil we were never meant to lift. Not because what's out there wants to destroy us, but because it wants us to understand something we cannot survive understanding. And now, it's too late to unsee it, too late to deny it, too late to pretend silence means safety. The objects are coming, they are not sending messages, they are the messages, and Earth, we may be the receiver.